right now I'm here without knowing those melodies